Someone special's visiting Sprunky Land today. That's right, it's Labubu! And you can't stop at one! Hey, don't make us have to separate you two. On second thought, let's do that. Time to compete. Now what's a coffin doing out here? A zombie Labubu! But it needs our help. We need to collect magic hearts for it. And here I thought that zombies preferred brains. Looks like you and Mr. Black need to cross the bridge. I'd say the floor is lava, but there's no floor. Just lava. Uh-oh, looks like you two are at a crossroads. And Mr. Black has got the upper hand.
What?
How about we go back to the beginning? Oh no! Mr. Black is all set for round 2. Don't worry, Labubu. We've got a way to switch things up.
Ouch!
And a little switch for you too. Quick, follow the blue brick road. And soon, you've got a brand new heart. Hey, zombie, we've got a surprise for you. Now that's what I call a glow-up. Labubu edition. Sprunkies, Labubus, it's time to get to the other side. Looks like we gotta whip up a bridge. Probably should have made it a little sturdier. Okay, Lady Labubu, wanna have another go? And down they go. Well, back to the drawing board. Maybe third time's the charm. Hurry along, Oren. It's safe.
Phew.
Now that you're here, the games can begin. Try to match the shape on the square. Wow, you two have a real knack for this. You should try ballroom dancing next. This next one's kind of romantic. Something tells me they weren't acting. Line up, everyone. It's time for our next game. It looks like we're having a secret soda game. And now, will our lovely assistant come on down? Everyone needs to line up. It's kind of like musical chairs. But you can never guess who's being eliminated. That is, until it's too late. Sorry, Vinaria. Looks like Pink is out. Time for round 2. And no, you can't pick the empty one. We landed on green. So sorry, Labubu. You're out. Okay, the final round. Ratty versus Labubu. What's the final color? Ooh, the mystery color. Mustard? Guess it's your pick, Mini Boo Boo. But with a last-minute switch. The winner is Ratty. A point for Sprunkies. Someone call Mario. We're plumbing next.
Meh.
Looks like we need to fix up the pipes. Make sure that everything's hooked up. Pinky wants to send someone a message. Looks like they had to return to sender.
Oops.
Now you're tied. Next up, I'd be careful with this challenge. It looks like one wrong move can end the game. Uh-oh, Guess there's no loyalty among Sprunkies. Judges? Yeah! This round is going to the Labubus. But let's give these guys a second chance. Duck when to duck! You got it! Now Labubu's all wet. Looks like you're tied once again. Next up, we've got a matching game. Shouldn't be too hard. There's only 2 options. I see. The Sprunkies are still on archery mode. Ooh, probably shouldn't have gone with straight lines. Wow, the Labubus got 2 points for that. Still, let's try this again with a more direct approach. Ah, now you're tied again. Guess we'll need another tiebreaker. We're racing up next. But it's a bit of an obstacle course too. But don't worry, girls. There's a prize waiting for you in a small blue package. Who will get to Sky first? Well, Labubu's going on a trip. Semi-Hemi's got the lead for now, but will it last? Hurry, girls! You don't want to keep Sky waiting! The sign says to look up. Oh, that's for us! And keep an eye out for those falling rocks. Next, let's hope you girls did your jumping jacks. It's okay, Semi-Hemi's got a backup, but Labubu's in the lead. Too bad she's stuck in a dead end. A ladder will help you climb your way to success.
Yes.
Don't cry, Semi-Hemi. We've got a special mini-game for you. Now you've earned your wings. Fly away. Talk about swooping in at the last second. Quick, we need to save these 2 from lava.
What?
Seriously, where's all this lava coming from? Warm your finger up with this mini game. Put the blue Labubu back together. This Labubu can do half the work for you. But let's see which one can reach the top first. Sorry, Aqua, but I'm sure you'll find a way to keep cool. Point for Labubus. Next, it's time for another racing game. Careful, it looks like a tight situation's up ahead. Quite a few of them, actually. Uh-oh! Maybe you should all try to go at once? So far, there's only 2 left standing. Clucker's in the lead.
Wow.
But the game's not over yet. Try to catch the hearts. Did I mention you have to catch them all in one go? Well, maybe you still got enough to pass. Guess not. Okay, Clucker, it's your turn. Remember, you need a strategy. So far, so good. It looks like he's gonna make it. Just a few more hearts and we're almost done. You did it! And it looks like the Sprunky team is today's winner. Looks like we're taking another trip to Sprunky Land. Time to see familiar faces. And maybe some new ones. Ah, Sprunky babies. They make their dreams come true. And by the looks of it, they'll do the same for you. Either way, they're going on a little trip. Mama Pinky's on the case. Or at least her mini alter ego. Wow, it looks like she's going to Wonderland. Just like Alice. Or is she the pink rabbit? Looks like we're playing a game. We've got 3 lives and need 3 keys. Now make that 2. We got 1. Careful with those pipes. Oh, that's gotta hurt. Is going down a pipe ever a good idea? At least put on some gear. Now go. Wait, those aren't goldfish. They're pufferfish. Grab that key before they start a boating school. Ah, it's always nice to go for a swim. But now we're dealing with a real electric eel. You know, Mr. Black's being a real pest. And you know what happens to pests. Hey, we found the last key after all. First things first, let's get baby Pinky out of here. Don't worry, you're a free bunny. Shame about Big Pinky, though. Aw, love always saves the day. Come one and all, the Sprunky Witch grants wishes. Of course, she'll need a little help with the ingredients. Well, let's help you get started. Here's a toadstool. Oh, and here's that rainbow flower. Last but not least, a bunny bat. Time for a deposit. And a withdrawal. Looks like Aqua wants her baby back. You need a skull, gems, and a frog. What better place to look than Slime Mart? It's okay, she's got an eye for these things. Remind me to invite her to our next scavenger hunt. Okay, one last item. We found all 3. Let's see the witch to make a switch. Wow, your baby sure looks like a key. I think you should follow that crow. Yeah, I'm not gonna ask what the witch was doing with this cage. Wow, it sure is cold in here.
Ew.
Red Mama could help us.
Nah.
Especially one with a cool hat. And matching scarf. Next, why don't we fix up that window? If you do a job, you need to do it well and follow instructions. That'll keep the cold out. So now, let's heat things up. Oh, where's that little match girl when you need her? Well, it's okay. Things are about to spark. Ah, this mama's sure got a warm heart. We're almost done, but we still need to make a key. Just gotta make sure it's a custom fit. That wasn't too hard. Now Ratty's a free baby. Let's go out and soak up that sunshine. Of course, there's such a thing as too much sun. Poor Vinaria. A desert's no place for a baby. Are you sure we can trust this guy? Oh no, it's Mr. Black! And now he's a baby? But first, someone's calling for help. Hey, Fineria didn't order twins. One's a fake. But how do we prove which one's the real one? Our special X-ray. Ooh, a skeleton on the inside. Wait, that's normal. But this sure isn't. Probably should have taken that antidote in the first place. Uh-oh, what's he up to now? Quick, somebody catch that baby! Once again, the day is saved by a butterfly net. Now let's see how you like it. See you next fall. Ah, now why don't we go touch some grass? Laruna's here to save baby Wyram. But first, she needs to play a little game. Well, you can't win if you don't guess. Didn't know this was a squid game. Poor Maruna doesn't have time for this. But we do. It's time we whack-a-mole. Looks like that earned us a round 2. Now who's got the baby? Ooh, a Labubu. So, by process of elimination, your baby. Hold on, we gotta play a game first. Draw in the house without lifting the pen. Nah, that won't work. You forgot the bottom. How about we take another go? No? Maybe third time's the charm. It's simple. You just need to start with a diagonal line. The rest practically fills itself in. You did it! And baby Wyram is safe. Let's get out of here. Oh no! Baby Wenda's stuck in the river!
Oh no!
Well, this looks like a good time to go fishing. Let me know if you get any boots. I could use a pair. A lot of Sprunky heads, but still no baby Wenda. It's like Sprunky White and the 6 dwarves. They'll help you get your baby back. Just match the orens. Steady, steady. Bullseye! Now we gotta match Pinky next. Come on, Derple, let's fill in those blanks. Okay, Binaria's in a tough spot. Or, well, she's gonna be. Just 2 more to go. Ratty and Simon. Ooh, looks like we've earned the rainbow key. The perfect thing to go with this rainbow lock. Now baby Wenda will be part of your world. Can't forget your floaty. It's your time to rise. All in all, you can't beat a good lake day. Now I think a little mommy and me time is overdue.